and welcome back to our winter series of amazing recipes. These nice, warm, comforting recipes. What do I have next for you? Well, today I have some vegetable stroganoff for you. Stroganoff is a Russian dish and I'm giving it my usual twist. So come on, let's begin. So let's begin with the classic stroganoff sauce, जिसके लिए यहाँ मैंने एक पैन गरम करने के लिए रखा है. I'm going to add some olive oil to it and lots of butter. Let's add some butter and allow it to melt. In goes some garlic. We give it a nice stir. Now we add in the sliced onions. Give this a nice stir. Alright, so see, the onions are looking beautiful now. I'm going to add some white wine to this. वैसे तो stroganoff की रेसिपी में whiskey या gin ज़्यादातर पड़ता है, but I like to use wine because that's what's easily available. तो थोड़ा सा wine इसमें डालेंगे and we're going to allow it to bubble so that the alcohol evaporates and what's left is the nice, amazing flavor of wine. Smelling beautiful. Now I'm going to add some vegetable stock to this. Okay, lovely. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. Alright, it's already thickening a little and this is the point we start seasoning the sauce. I'm डालेंगे salt, some fresh pepper, a little bit of paprika, nice color. So lovely, beautiful color. But trust me, the flavor is far from being pale because we have added such beautiful ingredients to it and I'm going to add some more. I'm going to add a little bit of mustard to this and some Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so this is nearly done. Now I'm just going to reduce the flame and let this simmer on low flame while I prepare the vegetables. So let's get on with that. I have a wok here. I'm going to add some oil to this pan. I'm going to smash in a few garlic cloves and put them straight in to the oil. They give a beautiful flavor and we want a little rustic feel to our vegetable stroganoff. Keep the flame high and we're going to toss in all our vegetables. First goes in the peppers, red and then yellow. And then go in the mushrooms. Now mushroom is a must. Even when non-vegetarian stroganoff is made, it has to have mushrooms in them. They are of course sliced, but I am using them nice and chunky because all my vegetables are so. Now I'm also going to be adding some broccoli, but I have already blanched these and kept, so these are going to go right at the end. So now goes in the broccoli. Alright, now let's season this with salt and pepper and some mixed herbs to just enhance the flavor of the stroganoff. Some mixed dry herbs. Give it all a nice toss. Lovely. Alright, this is done. So I'm going to turn this off. और ये वाला जो पैन है इसे मैंने पहले से ही थोड़ा बंद कर दिया था. It's nice and thickened. I need to add the dahi to this. You can add sour cream, you can add creme fraiche, which is just cream, but I want to give it a nice homely feel. Give this a nice stir and oh, look at that color. That is a classic stroganoff color which we wanted and we have got. Lovely, the sauce is ready, the vegetables are ready. All we have to do is the final presentation. So now, stroganoff is usually served with nice steamed rice, nice long grain steamed rice. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with pasta. You can also just serve it with some mashed potatoes and they taste absolutely amazing. Alright, so right now we're going to serve it with rice. तो वैसे तो कई लोग सॉस को vegetable या meat में मिला देते हैं, but I'm just wanting you to see all the lovely colors, so I'm going to do this separately. Now comes my amazing sauce of the stroganoff. Pour it right on top of this. A nice sprig of parsley. Place right here in the center. And here you go. A yummy vegetable stroganoff with rice is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like and share the recipe with all your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Amrita Raichand, Chef and Beyond. See you very soon.